Our Hiligaynon word for the day is dágiaw. Dágiaw. The Hiligaynon word dágiaw means to work, help in work, without wages for nothing, without pay, voluntarily or gratuitously. Dágiaw. Dágiaw. Here are some example sentences for the Hiligaynon word dágiaw. Nagadagyaw sila sa pagpatindog sang ermita. They are working without wages at putting up the chapel. So an ermita is a chapel. Pagpatindog is like to put up. Yup, so nagadagyaw sila sa pagpatindog sang ermita. Ginadagyawan nila ang balay sang kalasalon. They worked without pay at building the house for the marriage couple. Gindagyawan nila ang balay sang kalaslon. Dagyawi ako sing duha ka adlaw sa pag-obra sa simbahan. Help me by working at the church 2 days without pay. Dagyawi ako sing duha ka adlaw sa pag-obra sa simbahan. And that is all about for our Hiligaynon word for the day, dagyaw. Madamo gid nga salamat. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye!